Today we are discussing about the exercise 2.2 class 9. Question number 1. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Then answer: compare with the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c. Now what is this? Minus 4x square plus 5x plus 3. Now first, now this is bx. The first one b at x is equal to 0. That is 4 into 0 square plus 5 into 0 plus 3. This part is 0, this part is 0, this part is 3. That is 3. So value at, that is b is equal to 3. Second one, at x is equal to minus 1. So that is b minus 1 is equal to minus 4 minus 1 square plus 5 into minus 1 plus 3. So what will come? Minus 4 into 1 plus minus, that is minus 4 minus 5 plus 9. That is minus 9 plus 3. That is minus 6. Now third one. At x is equal to 2. Then p2 is equal to minus 4 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus 3. That is minus 4 into 4 plus 10 plus 3 is minus 16 plus 30. This is minus 3. Is it clear? The first three one is complete. Now same as question number 2. Same as question number 2. What will I supposing that p is equal to 0, comma, p is equal to 1 and p is equal to 2. I am taking the two question, that is question number 2. P is equal to 2 plus p plus t square minus t cube. Now comparing with the standard form, that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Now what we write that? Minus t cube plus 2t square plus t plus 2. Now first one, t is equal to 0. Then what happened? Minus 0 cube plus 2 into 0 square plus 0 plus 2. This all part is 0 plus 2, that is 2. Question number 4. X is equal to x minus 1, x plus 2. Using the identities a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So this is coming this one. Now comparing with standard form, that is x square plus bx plus c. Now this is x square plus 0 into x minus 1. Now for the first case, what we do that? P is equal to 0. That is 0 square plus 0 into 0 minus 1, that is 1. Now if we consider with the P1, that is 1 square plus 0 into 1 minus 1, so that is 1 plus 0 minus 1, that is 0. Now if we consider P2, then what we do that? 2 square plus 0 into 2 minus 1, that is 4 plus 0 minus 1, that is 3. Now same thing, if we do that for the question number 2, P1, that is minus 1 minus this one plus 2 into 1 square plus 1 plus 2, that is minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2, that is 4. That is 4. Now if you consider P2, that is 2 whole cube plus 2 into 2 square plus 2 plus 2, that is minus 8 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2, that is question number 2 is also solved. Now question number 3. Question number 3. They have asked that whether the following are zeros of a polynomials or not. Now for zero of a polynomial fx or what is called px should be 0 at x. Now last one. P of minus m by l. Now what they have given, px is equal to lx plus l, where x is equal to minus m by l. Now what we do that, p minus m by l is equal to l into minus m by l plus l. So that is l cross. So this is 0. Therefore x is equal to minus m by l is the 0 of the polynomial lx plus l. Understand that? Now we do that number 4. Now number 4 they have given x is equal to x plus 1 x minus 2. Now we have to multiply that. That is x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. That is x square minus x minus 2. Now this is the px. Now what they have said, at x is equal to 1 and 2. Now they have said that x is equal to minus 1 comma 2. Now p minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square minus 1 minus 2. That is, this is 1, this is plus 1, this is minus 2. That is 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. The first question is over. Second question, P2, so that 2x square minus 2 minus 2. That is 4 minus 2 minus 2. That is 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. The answer will be minus 1 comma 2 are the 0 of the polynomial. Which one? When we write the answer, x is equal to x plus 1 x minus 2. that? Now do that. X is equal to 3x square minus 1. When x is equal to 1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. What will do that? X is equal to 3x square minus 0 into x minus 1. Standard form. Now when p is equal to minus 1 by root 2, p is equal to minus 1 by root 3 they have given. 1 by root 3 they have given. So what will do that? 3 minus 1 by root 3 square minus 0 into 1 by root 3 minus 1. So what happens? Plus 3 into 1 by 3 minus 0 minus 1, that is 1 minus 1, that is 0. Now second they have given p 2 by root 3, and if we put that 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square minus 0 into 2 by root 3 minus 1. What happened? 3, 4 by 3 minus 1. So that is 4 minus 1. That is 3. So p2 by root 3 is not equal to 0. So the answer is only minus 1 by root 3 is the 0 of the polynomial px is equal to 3x square minus 1. Now rest of things you have to practice. Now they have said that question number 4. These are all about the question number 3. Now the last one, लास्ट वाला कर रहे हैं हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? लास्ट वाला, that is find the zero of the polynomials. Find the zero of the polynomials. So what will do that? They have given last one, question number 4. Ex is equal to cx plus d, where c not is equal to 0 and c and d are real number. So what they have given? Find the zeros. Now when you find the zeros, that means px is equal to 0, therefore cx plus d is equal to 0, cx is equal to minus d, x is equal to minus d by c. Then the answer will be minus d by c is the zero of the polynomial px is equal to cx plus d, where c not is equal to 0, c comma d are real number. You have to do the writing in this particular format. Now last one. Now they have said x is equal to ax. Then for 0, ax should be equal to 0. That is ax is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 by a. Then x is equal to 0. Then the answer is 0 is the 0 of the polynomial x is equal to ax. So this way we can do the rest one. I am going to the question number 4. Question number 4. Find the 0 that px is equal to 3x minus 2. Now for zeros, px is equal to 0. What is px? Px minus 2 is equal to 0. That's means px is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 by 3. So the answer will be 2 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial x is equal to x minus 2. Now rest of the sum, you do that. Is it okay for that? Now the chapter 2 is complete. Thank you very much.